Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this launch error, please close interception before starting the game, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for GitHub interception, and then you're going to click onto this first link from github.com. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this version here, and then you're going to click onto interception.zip. You're going to download this folder, click start download, click open. Now you're going to go ahead and extract this anywhere you want. I'm going to extract it in my D drive, and then you're going to go to the directory where you extracted it. Here it is. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it, click copy as path. You're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here cmd, right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes. You're going to write cd, and then you're going to write the location of that file, click enter then. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to write this command in install-interception.exe /uninstall. So after you put in that command, press enter, then it will uninstall interception.exe. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Fortnite, you'll see that it will work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.